Stock heat map gives us a visual representation of market data. The size of a block in the map represents the market share of the component. The color of the block represents the pricing change within a certain time period. Take the QQQ map at May 19, 2022 for example. The information technology sector occupies almost half of the shares of the entire market, while the rest of shares are divided among other 6 sectors. There are 11 color levels representing the price gain of the component. Dark green color means strong gain, dark red means strong loss, and lighter green, yellow, and lighter red colors stand in the middle. Stock Market Heat Map Professional Edition, also known as the Stock Map Pro, is the latest U.S. stock map application from bulllabs.com. It contains 4 heat maps in one single app. These include the Total Market Index Map, the S&P 500 Map, the Dow Jones 30 Industrial Map, and the Invesco QQQ Map. Tap the menu buttons below the Stock Map Pro title bar to switch between different maps. The Total Market Index Map consists of stocks and ADRs traded on U.S. exchanges from more than 600 companies with the largest market capitalizations in the world. The line below the menu buttons shows the date and time when the market data were last updated and the type of index the data are showing. The next line shows the index value and related data including the percentage changes from the previous day, the current trading volume and the 3-month daily average trading volume of the index. The stocks in the index are grouped into industries and then further into market sectors. In the first hierarchy of the map, it shows the sectors and the industries under each sectors. Tap on any block on the map will bring up a pop-up box with summary information of that component, which is either an industry or a sector. The summary information includes the price of the index, price change percentage, open, high, low, current volume, 3-month daily average volume, relative strength and volume momentum of the industry or sector. The relative strength gives the rank of the pricing gain of the index in comparison to other sectors or industries. The volume momentum measure the current trading volume of a component in comparison to its own 3-month trading volume, and the value is normalized to the elapsed portion of the time in the current market session. At the bottom of the pop-up box is an intraday chart showing the intraday price movement. The information in the box gives us a quick summary of how the sector or industry is currently doing. Double-tap any place within a sector navigates to the next hierarchy of the map. This level shows all the industries of the sector and then all individual stocks under each industry. Similar to the first level map, we can tap a block to open a pop-up box with summary information of an industry or an individual stock. Double-tap a stock block brings up a screen for the fundamental data of the stock. When a map is displaying the second level, a back button appears for bringing us back to the top level. Alternatively, we can click the back button on our mobile device to bring us back to the top level. The S&P 500 map tracks all the stocks from the S&P 500 index. The S&P 500 map works very much in the same way as the Total Market Index map. The main difference is that the underlying components and their allocations are taken from the S&P 500 index. The numbers of the main screen including the index value, change percentage, volume and average volume are for the S&P 500 index. The Dow Jones 30 Industrial Map tracks the components and allocations of the Dow Jones 30 Industrial Index. The map shows in a single level without the sector or industry grouping of the stocks. Tapping a stock brings up a summary pop-up window. Double-tapping a stock shows the fundamental data of the company. The QQQ map tracks the components and allocations of the Invesco QQQ index. It is a 2-level map but there is no industry groups. All stocks are grouped under their market sectors directly. Navigating between the 2 levels and the tapping and double-tapping work similarly to the other maps. Between 4 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Time, the regular markets closed on U.S. stock exchanges but after-hour trading still goes on. During this time, the app shows data from 4 p.m. After 8 p.m. and before markets open for the next business day, the after-hour trading has stopped and the app shows the end-of-day data. The date time field shows just the date without the time. To get a free copy of the Stock Map Pro mobile app, please visit Google Play Store, or Apple App Store and search for the app by its name, Stock Map Pro. Thank you for watching this video.